welcome back to Simply Women's Health with CJ. Today we're going to talk about 10 items that need to go into your hospital bag, as well as 3 things that probably should just be left at home. Number 1, important papers. Think identification and/or your insurance card. Do you have a written birth plan? I encourage you to make multiple copies and bring those with you so that your nurse, your OB provider, and your pediatrician can all be on the same page with you and your partner. Number 2, comfort or relaxation items for labor. Think handheld or clip-on fan. You might want to bring a rice sock, lip balm. Your lips are going to get really dry. Do you find music relaxing? I hope you've made a playlist. You're going to want to bring an extra long extension cord because typically outlets in birth centers are in awkward places. You're going to want to keep that phone charged. Number 3, your toiletries. Your toothbrush, your toothpaste, any hair products that you might need. Do you wear contacts? Make sure you pack that lens solution. Also, bring along an extra pair of glasses. If for some reason you were to end up going to the operating room, they're probably going to want you to take your contacts out, and you're going to want to see that baby. Number 4, comfortable pajamas. A lot of people like to bring nursing gowns, but if this is your first baby and you are breastfeeding, it can be really awkward to try to learn how to breastfeed in a nursing gown. Those slits are just too small. You may want to pack a nursing bra and a comfortable robe. You're also going to want to bring some bedroom slippers or some non-skid socks. Number 5, extra pillows. Hospital pillows are notoriously small, and a lot of times there just are not enough of them. Make sure you bring a pillow for both you and your partner. Make sure that pillow has a colored pillowcase on it so it doesn't get mixed up with the hospital pillows. Also, make sure it's a pillow you don't mind getting dirty. You're going to be sweating, you might throw up. We don't want to ruin any good pillowcases. Number 6, some Depends or period panties. That first day or 2 after you have the baby, you're going to be bleeding a little bit heavier than a normal period. The hospital will definitely provide pads and mesh panties. However, some people really just prefer to use the Depends. Number 7, make sure you have plenty of snacks for your partner. You will have plenty of food available, but you will be very hungry. Also make sure you pack a big water bottle. Number 8, comfy clothes for when you go home. Think sweatpants or leggings and a baggy top. If you've had a C-section, you're not going to want anything that's going to be snug over your tummy. Number 9, make sure you have an outfit to take the baby home in. A lot of people want to bring sleepers and extra clothes for the baby. The hospital will probably provide t-shirts, diapers, and sleepers, as well as blankets. When you go home, you're going to want to have the baby in a going home outfit. If you're planning on formula feeding, that too will be provided. You don't need to bring that stuff from home. Number 10, make sure you have your car seat. I recommend you take the car seat out of the box, make sure it's in the car, installed properly before you ever leave for the hospital. So what 3 things shouldn't you bring? Number 1, any jewelry. Any jewelry that you have on when you get to the hospital, they will probably have you take off and they will send home. Number 2, extra medications. Any medications that you need will be provided by the hospital or the birth center where you are. Now, if your provider tells you to bring your own medications from home, that's different. But most hospitals, especially in the United States, already have those medications. Number 3, and this is the most important one, do not bring candles. Hospitals and birth centers generally have oxygen flowing, and an open flame and oxygen are a deadly combination. You have questions about what more you should bring? Hope you will drop them in the comment section below. And while you're in that comment section, go ahead and hit that like button.
You're still here. Thanks so much for sticking around through the entire video. If you feel as though this information has been helpful to you, or you think you know somebody that might benefit from the information provided in these videos, please feel free to like it, share it, and if you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you did that. Any and all support that you can provide is so greatly appreciated. As always, these videos were not created as a replacement visit with your healthcare provider, rather as a place for you to come for basic, reliable information that is non-biased and hopefully allow you to figure out what questions to ask your healthcare provider at your next visit to best meet your healthcare needs. Again, I appreciate all of your support. If you want to contact me, my information is at the top of this screen, and I will put it in the comment section of this video. That's all I have for today. This is CJ. I'm at your service.